Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Urmila and you are in my channel Urmila's Heart. And I know मैंने बहुत दिन से I did not upload any video due to some personal problem, but now I'm back again with a bang. So now let's proceed with the video without further ado. So here I'm using Kia Shades Skin Hydrating Green Coconut Mist or Toner, whatever you want to say. I use it, you could see every time in my every video I use this mist or toner for hydrating my skin. After toning up my face, I'm directly going to the moisturizer. It's Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, which I usually show in my video. After moisturizing, now I am here with a eyebrow pomade. It's Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I am defining my eyebrows properly with it, and I'm taking the lighter shade of the pomade here. After completing my eyebrows, I am using here a spoolie to comb my eyebrows to set properly. Here I am using a purple concealer and applying it on my eyelid so that it gets a base before I start my eye makeup. After applying the concealer, now I am using a damn beauty blender and blending my concealer over the eyelid properly so that it gets totally smudged with my crease line. After I am done with my concealer, I am using here Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set my eyelid. Now for the eye makeup, I am using here Swiss Beauty Makeup Pro eyeshadow palette. It has various different colors you could see, and I'll be using all of the colors from here only. If you are wanting to buy a eyeshadow palette for eye makeup, you could easily spend on this. It's very pocket friendly and the colors are superb and super pigmented, as you could see. As I showed, I am using a pale orange color, the lightest shade of orange from the palette, and applying it on my crease line. Now as you could see, I'm using a brighter orange here and applying it on my eyelid. I'll be applying it on my eyelid in both of the eyes. And the colors are so bright and popping up, so it's better if you do this makeup, try and blend it out very well. Without blending, you can't achieve such look. Now as you can see, I'm using here the coral pink color so that I'll be giving in my outer V. I'm giving the coral color which I have showed in the palette so that it complements my eyes, and the combination of such coral pink and orange, it blooms up your eyes so effectively you just can't believe. You would see the result, and with it I'm just blending it properly so that no harsh line gets affected and the colors comes out properly. Now I'm applying here a orange shimmer color, which is this, on my eyelid. And off camera, I have applied my Stay Cookies Badass eyeliner, NYX mascara, and then a falsies. As you can see, the eye makeup is so vibrant and I'm just loving it. Still incomplete, but I'll complete it in the last. I have to give some touch up, so let's proceed with the face makeup. First of all, I'm using your Good Vibes serum. It's a gold serum, and it's really very good. It keeps your face hydrated and moist. And before any makeup, you should always start with some skincare. After my serum, I'm using here primer of NYX. For keeping my base very light, I'm here using 95cc cream, and I have also uploaded some videos, some very glamorous look with CC cream, as you know. So this is another one, you could also help it. And those who are new to my channel, please check this out. It will be very helpful. If you don't have any foundation or anything, how could you have a glamorous look without using any foundation? This is the most good updated one. And now I'm using here a concealer to highlight my prominent zones. After this, I'm just dabbing it properly so that no crease gets left over, and you could easily see how glowy my skin is. And the eye makeup itself is so vibrant, you don't need a strong base for it. Now I'll proceed with contouring or bronzing, whatever you could say. I'm using here Sugar's bronze palette. Now I'm proceeding with a blush. It's Nelf Cheer Up blush. Now it's time to highlight. I'm using here Makeup Revolution's highlight on my highlighting zones. Now it's time to give some touch-ups. So I am here using the same colors, whatever colors I have used on my eyelid, crease line, everything. I'm mixing up the entire color and applying it on my lower lash line. It's a nude kajal of Maybelline. I'll be applying on my waterline. Now again I'm using NYX mascara to define my lower lashes. Now with the help of a clean buffing brush, I'm dusting off the excess. And now it's time to set the makeup with a setting spray. I'm here using NY Bay setting spray. Now for the inner corners, here I'm using a highlighting shade to highlight my inner corners. Now for the lipstick, I'm using here a peach color. It's in peach color. One is in bar lipstick and another is in liquid lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. This is the final reveal of my look. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to comment down below, and if it was helpful, don't forget to share with your friends, and stay tuned with more other such upcoming videos. Thank you. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक अगेन एंड आई होप आपको ये आज का जो वीडियो था, आज जो मैंने वीडियो आपने देखा है वो आई होप आपको अच्छे लगे। अगर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर if it was helpful, and do comment how was it, and please consider subscribing to it, and it means a lot to me. And that's it. Stay tuned with more other videos, and yeah, bye.